Alright, this is our 6th bobcat of this short season. And first catch in this log set. So we have 3 fisher tags in our household. We're trying to catch a fisher. We found this hollow log along the trail by a creek, and I thought this is the most perfect fisher set. So we stuffed a beaver carcass in there, set a foothold at the entry, and caught another cat. No unfilled tags in our household, so we're gonna release them. It's really frustrating. In Wisconsin, I can't seem to set a coyote fisher, any type of set without bobcats messing it up, and I'm getting mad about it because it's a lot of wasted time, wasted set, and if we have a cat in a set, we can't catch a fisher or a coyote. So that's real frustrating, but this was, like I said, it was just a beaver carcass stuffed in the log. I think all we put was maybe insidious, like a skunky, because we were trying to target a fisher. It's a bridge or 2 bedded at the entrance there. So it's a nice cat. I don't know if we would have tagged it anyway, because it does look kind of young, but it's got a real nice lynxy winter coat on it. So we're gonna go ahead and release them and reluctantly remake it and see if we can get that fisher in the next week before our tags expire. So